Namaste to all. Welcome to Vasu Creations. I have changed my channel name. I will tell you the reason later. Now, I have brought a very simple and fast laddu. In the month of Sravana, we prepare different types of offerings. Goddess loves laddu. I will tell you which goddess likes laddu at the end of the video. Watch the video till the end and don't skip. If you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your support by liking and sharing. Let's see the ingredients required for making Rava laddu. Rava sugar, boiled and chilled milk. Ghee, cardamom, grated coconut. You can add raw or dried coconut. Cashew nuts. Raisins. You can also add sarapalkulu, badam, etc. Here, I am preparing for 1 kg rava. We need 100 grams ghee. Take a vessel. Add 2 spoons of ghee. Fry the dry fruits till they turn golden brown. Add cashew nuts and raisins. You can also add sarapalkulu, cashew nuts and raisins. Here, the secret to make the laddu tasty is: grind the badam and make a powder. If we mix this powder while preparing the laddu, it will be very tasty. You can also try this. It is a secret. It will not look like badam. It will be tasty and healthy. For 1 kg rava, we need 750 grams of sugar. It will give a balanced sweetness. It will not be too much or too less. Quantity measurements will be good. Now, we have fried the dry fruits. Add the remaining ghee. Fry the rava till it turns golden brown. Fry the rava on low flame. Fry the rava till it turns golden brown. It will take minimum 15 minutes. If we take more quantity, it will take more time. While the rava is frying, we have to prepare the sugar powder. It will be good if it will be a powder. Add 5 to 6 cardamom while preparing the sugar powder. When we add the sugar powder, we can smell the aroma of the rava. When we smell the aroma of the sugar powder, we can know that the rava is fried. When the rava turns golden brown, switch off the flame. Transfer the rava to a bowl. Transfer the rava to a bowl. Add the ingredients one by one. Add the grated coconut. Add the almond powder. Almond powder enhances the taste. Add the cardamom powder. Add the sugar powder. The rava should not be cold. When the rava is hot, transfer the rava to another bowl. Prepare all the ingredients in advance. Mix everything well. Add the fried dry fruits. Mix everything well. For 1 kg rava, we need 250 ml of milk. Add the milk little by little and prepare the laddu. Do not add all the milk at once. If we add all the milk at once, the laddu will become soft. By doing this, the laddu will be crispy. In the beginning of this video, I will tell you about a goddess who is very fond of Rava laddu. She is Kolhapur Mahalakshmi Devi, who resides in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. We offer many types of nadyam to this goddess Lakshmi. If possible, I will bring the vlogs in front of you. In that, Rava laddu has become very important. It has become a favorite of the goddess Lakshmi. I hope you liked this video. I will come to you with another good video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Let me know your support through like. I will come to you with another good video. Thanks for watching this video.